Yes sir, Rise and Grind. Back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. Alright, this one we got a 2017 Toyota Tundra 4.6 SR5. We're doing the front brake pads and rotors. I got a video for the rear. You can click the link in the description. This is what we got. As you can see, those rotors, they're not supposed to look like that. That means the padding on the pads it wore all the way down to the metal, so it doesn't have any pad like that. So, how we gonna get it, man? I'll show you how.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, so this is what we got. Now this setup, we got a 4-piston setup, 2 on each side. Look like a Brembo style. So we got these pins here. They go through the brake pads. And we got this spring, and we got another piece of hardware on this side. Goes in here like that. So we got to knock these out, knock out the pins. They're gonna be pretty dried out, so you want to lube those up. So what I'm going to do is spread the pistons open, and I'm gonna get a pry bar, get in between here, or a flathead, and then you can just open up the space to get your pry bar in there. Once you find your gap, you just press it back. And that's one side. Get these springs out. Now we're gonna push these back, tap it back. Oh, they're pretty smooth. The other one was pretty dry. I wasn't able to do it with my hand. Pull that pad out. So what I'm gonna do here is get my channel locks, and I'm gonna open it up. So that opens up like that, and that side's gonna come back. So don't have to worry about that. We're gonna get them even. So they got this brake line, which is hard, so you can't just pull this caliper off and let it hang like normal, or move to the side. So we got this 12 millimeter bolt, and we got 2 19 millimeters holding the bracket in. All right, we got these tabs here. You want to push them in, get them out. And that's hooked up to this line, to this ABS sensor. There's 2 of them. And we can swing this up and off. Get up there like that, man. That's crazy. They got that hard line right there. Gotta be careful with that. So next I'm gonna take my channel locks and I'm gonna press these back and get them open enough to make room. All right, we got it open. What I did was use the channel locks, and when I pressed this one in, that one would pop out. So what I did was pressed it in, held it, when I press them in, so we can get them even on this side. And this side pretty much looks good, and we're gonna try it. All right, we got our pads, got our grease on it. That's what I use. Yep. Think it was about that time, huh? Alright, we sat in there. I know we're gonna have to open it up some more, but your pins, go ahead and clean them up. You can get you some sandpaper or something and just get it smooth and put some brake lube on it. That's what I'm using. So these two pieces of hardware, need to replace them. They got new ones, but I'm gonna use the old one. They misplaced the new one on this. So we put in our guide pin. Gotta line it up. Alright. Next we wanna get your pin. And it wanna go in like that. You wanna get it in there like that. Make sure that goes in that hole. Both sides. And straight through the other end. And now this hole, you gotta make sure that hole is pointed up that way so you can reach when you put that pin in. This pin here, or hardware, it goes in like that. Go ahead and put the other pin in. Got that in there. I'll put it in that hole first. So next we want to open up this space some more. We're going to use our channel locks. Alright, and that should be open enough. Always spray your brake rotors down. Get that sticky film off. If you don't, you will burn it off and you'll smell it. So you want to take your hammer and tap that off. Alright, we in there. Now we're going to put our bolts in. Alright, we get our bolts in, those clips, and we good to go.